Hello and welcome to Creating Your First Film. In exactly 3 minutes you will have the base skills necessary to make your very first AVI movie with Camtasia. Let's get started, shall we? After opening up the program, you're greeted with a rather complicated view of Camtasia's button functions. Now you don't need to concern yourself with most of these buttons now. And don't worry if your Camtasia window doesn't look exactly like this one. I'll show you in a later chapter exactly how to customize your view of the program. Trust me, once you're finished watching this series, every nook and cranny of Camtasia will be second nature to you. Regardless of what your current view looks like, you should have access to the Capture menu and buttons for Record, Pause, Stop, and Delete. And that's all we'll be dealing with in this session. The first part of making your movie is to tell Camtasia exactly what we want captured. If you open up the Capture menu and proceed down to Input, you'll see that we have 4 options. Capturing the entire screen, a particular window, a region of your screen, and a fixed region, which basically means a region with preset dimensions. In fixed region mode, you also have the option of specifying starting coordinates, so that you can be sure that your region area always pops up in the same location. Just for kicks, let's choose our third option, region mode. Now, our big red button will get the process moving. If you're a keyboard junkie, pressing F9 will do the same thing. You notice that your pointer has changed, and we're now required to draw a region because we selected region mode. Just click and hold the mouse button down, draw your rectangle, and release the button. This immediately puts us in pause mode. That way we can make any final arrangements on the desktop before actually starting recording. Clicking the record button or pressing F9 again will start the recording process. Now, I'm actually recording. I'll move my mouse around, click some buttons, and access some menus just to give my film a little action. If I want to briefly pause the action to open up another program or adjust something on the screen, I just hit the pause button. And when you're ready to start up again, click on Record to resume. The F9 key will toggle between record and pause. Let's quickly discuss the other 2 buttons available here. If we really mess up, the delete key will break us out of record mode and let us begin anew. To help make sure you don't end up accidentally destroying valuable work, a small dialog box appears asking you to confirm your choice. But if you decide you're reasonably happy with your movie and want to save it off, go ahead and click the Stop button, or F10 for you keyboard folks. A Save dialog box pops up, and you simply have to choose a name and location for your masterpiece. And this is what the movie we created actually looks like. That's really all there is to making a basic movie. Of course, Camtasia has many other fantastic features we haven't yet explored, so when you're ready, please move on to subsequent lessons, where you'll learn to make the most out of everything Camtasia has to offer.